In life, we want people around us to be happy, to be free, to be untethered from their problems. Unfortunately, life is not always under our control. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic disease that causes mucus buildup in many organs, mainly the pancreas and the lungs. It causes symptoms such as persistent coughing due to phlegm buildup, frequent lung infections that result in pneumonia or bronchitis, and wheezing with a shortness of breath. A lot of research has gone into cystic fibrosis, but unfortunately there is still no cure, and many people still suffer. There are treatment options available, but they require patients with cystic fibrosis to constantly watch their weight, coughing patterns, and requires them to complete daily exhaustive therapies. Treatments are different from patient to patient and are based on each patient's symptoms and progression. These treatments are designed by cystic fibrosis professionals who determine what proper care the patient needs based on their specific conditions. They rely on indicators such as weight and coughing patterns. And while weight can be accurately measured, coughing patterns are much harder to assess. And this is where we come in. Our inspiration for this project was to give those people a better life. For those who are suffering from cystic fibrosis, there isn't an option for monitoring coughs that is available other than manually counting with a conventional pen and paper. This is not a practical option. We are developing a method that will allow cough monitoring to be as easy as wearing your smartwatch or carrying your smartphone in your pocket. Here is just one of many devices that can be utilized for this cough monitoring solution. Our algorithm uses speech recognition to detect coughs in a normal audio recording. It counts coughs throughout the day and charts cough trends for doctors to easily assess the patient's cough patterns. Currently, our device is still in prototype phase and has limited use. However, the algorithm proved that the cough counting automation is a simple and cheap problem that can be solved using current speech recognition methods with a very high accuracy. This is what our algorithm looks like now. The voice recording is already uploaded to the algorithm, and by simply running the algorithm, we can get a clear cough chart with a cough count. In the future, we will be able to integrate our software with smart devices and make it as simple as dragging and dropping audio files from your device to your computer to live a simplistically progressive life. The resulting graph can be sent to doctors so that they may distribute medication more accurately. This system will help a lot of suffering people and make their lives better. For further information, please visit our website